In this video, we're going to be talking about how to add a YouTube video to a page. So there's a number of different video hosting options with Convertri, and YouTube is one of them, but you have to make sure to use the YouTube video player in order to be able to do this. So I'm going to create a YouTube video on this page. So go to the elements tray and click media. And then it's very important, don't just click video because you see video, it needs to be a YouTube video. Obviously, if you host with Vimeo or Wistia, then you will choose those elements. There's separate videos on those. So click media, scroll to the bottom option is YouTube video, and this little player will come up, which you can resize like any other element, and will be able to paste in the URL of your video. So I've already got a YouTube video that I'm going to paste in the URL of. So this is just one of our Convertri videos that we have. So that's just the URL of the video on YouTube itself. And then your editing options are all here. So you are able to autoplay this video, which means that when the page opens, it will immediately start playing. But please be aware that this is noted here, that most browsers will only autoplay if the video is set to mute. So just be aware of the autoplay limitations. You can decide that your video could play on a loop or not, so it just keeps going round and round. This can be good if you want someone to keep viewing your sales page and your sales video. Muting, obviously, very good idea if you're going to autoplay, but in general, if your video just doesn't have any noise, set it to mute already off the bat, or you don't need the sound on. For instance, you might have subtitles. And then the final option is to show the playback controls. So this is whether you're going to allow your users the chance to pause and play and skip through the video. So if you have a sales video that you really want someone to pay attention to, you may choose to have these toggled off. And that way, they have to sit through it. That's what's playing on the page. So that's kind of personal preference. And this is all of the editing that you can do. So once you've pasted in your URL and you've toggled on or off all of these, you can publish your page with the YouTube on it. So I'm just going to call my YouTube video. You will see that the the cover of the video has already changed, so we know that it has linked to that video. And now I'll be able to press play and it will play as a YouTube video would. So that is how you embed a YouTube video into your Convertri page.